A mixture contains lemon juice and sugar syrup in equal proportion. That means 50% is lemon juice and 50% is sugar syrup. If a new mixture is created by adding this mixture and sugar syrup in the ratio 1:3. So you have a solution over here and you have a sugar syrup over here that you are adding in the ratio of 1:3. One part of the previous solution, which was of lime juice and sugar, you are taking over here, and over here you are taking 3 parts of sugar syrup. The original mixture had lemon juice and sugar syrup in the ratio of 1:1, which was 50%. So what is the strength of sugar syrup in this? 1/2. What is the strength of sugar syrup in the pure syrup? That will be 1. Then the ratio of lemon juice and sugar syrup in the new mixture is how much? If I'm taking the value x over here, that's the strength of sugar syrup in the final mixture, right? Now, by the approach of allegations, 1 is greater and 1/2 is lesser. 1/2 will create a deficit and 1 will create a surplus. X minus 1/2 into 1 should be equals to 1 minus of x into 3. We have to solve this for the value of x. X minus 1/2 is equals to 3 minus of 3x. You will realize this will become 4x is equals to 3 plus 1/2, which then effectively turns out to be 7/2 is equals to 4x. X will turn out to be equals to 7/8. Remember, this is the strength of sugar syrup. So 7 parts will be sugar syrup out of a total of 8 parts of the mixture. Then the ratio of lemon juice to sugar syrup in the new mixture should be what? Sugar syrup was 7 parts and lemon juice will be 1 part out of a total of 8 parts. So 1:7 should be the answer to this question.